We are live. A little different setup today, a little bit of technical little switcheroo. And this is perfect for this, okay? So your nervous system remembers every load we try to ignore, okay? And the truth is most of us don't realize how much we've been carrying until it finally shows up as exhaustion, irritability, or that feeling of being stretched way too thin, right? Well, I was feeling a little stretched trying to get this live going, and the dynamics are not my usual, so but I'm going to continue to give it my best because I'm here for you and for me, all right? Because I love to be able to give. Your system doesn't forget. It holds every responsibility, every stress, every emotional weight, and even the ones you tell yourself you don't matter, you do. And if that hits you somewhere, it's probably because your system has been whispering for a long time. You're not alone. I've lived this too. And I get it. I really do. If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudette Eames, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And if there's one thing I've learned for myself and the people I work with, and the people that I'm here to help and support and to connect you to a better way, is that your body isn't the enemy. It's the messenger. We need to listen. When your system starts sending signals, it's not because you're weak. It's because you've been carrying too much for too long. Does that sound familiar? There was a season where I kept telling myself, I'm fine, I just need a better night's sleep, I just need a good weekend, I just need to push a little harder. And every time I said that, I ignored what my system was actually telling me. I wasn't listening. It wasn't discipline. It wasn't discipline I was missing. I was missing listening. I wasn't missing motivation. And it wasn't age creeping in. It was a load. It was heavy. Did you feel that? I didn't realize how much I had been holding until my mornings felt heavy before I even got out of bed. My afternoons felt like crash o'clock. Does that sound familiar? And my evenings were just managing whatever was left of me. Whatever I had left, that was it. Couldn't do anymore. It was like one of those, you were just paper thin, had nothing left. And even then I thought, it was my fault. Must be me. But it wasn't. My system had been carrying layers of stress, emotional weight, responsibility, and worry, all stacked. Those cards were heavy. And when your system carries that long enough, it eventually taps your energy, your patience, your clarity, even your sleep. It's maxed. You're just maxed out. Once I finally stopped saying, I'm fine, someone would ask, how are you? I'm fine. And started listening to myself, and everything made so much more sense. Started being true to myself. Started listening. So let me break this down simply, because this is where the shift really happens. Your nervous system holds a load before you feel it. That's what it's there for. It can only take so much. By the time you notice exhaustion, your system has already carried things quietly for a long time. Feeling tired isn't failure. It's communication. Different tired tells different things. Morning tired, no reset. Afternoon tired, overloaded system. Evening tired, you're in full survival mode. Your body is always giving clues. Are you listening? Support brings the clarity back online. When you support the system underneath everything, gut, stress response, emotional load, the fog lifts. It's an amazing feeling. Your days start to feel doable again. You stop bracing through the day. You feel the light. You see the light. Everything just gets so brighter. Small daily support beats forcing yourself. You don't have to overhaul your life. You don't have to push harder. It's gentle shifts, the steady, supportive kind, that let your system breathe again. Because here's the truth we forget. Your nervous system isn't fragile. It's tired. So if you're listening today and thinking, yep, that's me. I've been pushing through for way too long. I want you to hear this. You're not broken. You're not failing. And you're not just getting older. Your system has simply been carrying more than it can keep holding on its own. And choosing to support yourself, even in small ways, it's not weakness. It's wisdom. If today's message landed for you, drop support. And I'll reach out privately. No pressure. Just a human conversation about what might help you help your system feel steadier again. So thanks for being here today with me. And your presence genuinely matters. It really does. And I truly appreciate you. But I look forward to connecting with you. So talk to you soon. Claudette Eames.